Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video, I am going to discuss a very important topic of quantum mechanics, that is variational method, or which is also known as the Rayleigh-Ritz method. In this video, I am going to let you know about many important points like what type of questions you can expect in your upcoming CSIR Net Physics exam related to this topic, as well as what will be the steps you have to take to solve such kind of questions, and many important points will get clear to you when you will watch this video till the end. So let's just start the discussion, and some basic information, some points regarding this method I have shown here on the first slide. Now let's talk about the numerical oriented discussion, or when you will get the questions in the exam, what type of questions they will be. After analyzing the previous year question papers, I'm going to let you know about this point. So guys, mainly in the previous years we had the questions in which they have asked us to find the ground state energy, and in all those questions which we are having almost in the previous years, we are going to have the trial wave function given to us. Clear? So anytime by using the variational principle variational method, if you want to find the ground state energy, what are the steps you have to take and how you can find it out? Let's talk about the steps. So guys, step number one is, firstly you need to know about the trial wave function. If you will observe the previous year questions, you will find like almost all the times they have provided us the trial wave function in the question itself. Okay, so this is going to be very easy thing for us if we know about the trial wave function. Second step is that by using that trial wave function, we need to find the expectation value of energy, or you can say Hamiltonian. Clear? So second step is that use the trial wave function and corresponding to that find the expectation value of Hamiltonian, for which I have mentioned the formula here in the second step. Now, third step will be that we have to minimize the expectation value of energy or Hamiltonian, but how we can just minimize it? So guys, for that you have to take its partial differentiation with respect to variational parameter or constant. So when you will look at the wave function which is given to you, that is trial wave function, then there will be a constant present there. One can be the normalization constant, the other one will be the variational constant or parameter. Clear? So with respect to that variational parameter, you have to differentiate, you have to do the partial differentiation in third step for the expectation value of energy or Hamiltonian. Clear? And equate it with 0 and get the value of that variational parameter. After that, put it back in the step 2. Clear? Whatever expression or answer you have got in the step number 2, you just need to put that variational parameter value in step number 2 and you will get your final answer. But sometimes just by solving it till step 2, you will get the answer which will match with the options, because sometimes they give the options in such a way that variational parameter will be present there. So that's how you will simply be able to solve such kind of questions by taking these steps, and these are very simple and very easy steps, but sometimes the calculation is going to be there, which can be a little bit time taking. If you will have a good command on the integration formulae and all, you will simply be able to do it in the less time as well. So guys, I hope that this thing will now be clear to all of you, that what type of questions you can expect. So mainly in the previous years, the questions we had, in those questions they have asked us to find the ground state energy. Okay, so after reading the statement given in the question, you will easily be able to understand that this question is related to variational method. Okay, you will not have any difficulty in understanding or relating it. Clear? Also guys, then steps I have explained, and in the upcoming videos I will try to discuss some questions related to this. So these are the important things you all should know. And thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. If you are new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, you can subscribe this channel, you can share the videos with your friends, those who are preparing for the exam, because all the videos I have provided you on this channel will help you a lot to do the best preparation for your upcoming CSIR Net Physics exam, as well as for the GATE Physics exam and all other similar exams for the PhD or similar exams. If you are preparing for these, videos will help you a lot in that case. Now guys, let's talk about next thing. That is, if you think you need some guidance to prepare for your upcoming CSIR Net Physics exam, then if you want, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription for that. Because after taking the Unacademy Plus subscription, you will be able to attend the live classes by the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming CSIR Net Physics exam preparation. So there are so many important courses going on right now, as well as many new courses are going to start soon. So guys, whenever you will take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can also use the referral code, that is Anjali Arora, as I have mentioned it here. By using and by applying this referral code, you will be able to get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Clear? So guys, you just need to write the spelling as it is, no space in between. Write it and apply it and get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. One more thing guys, that new courses are going to start soon, which will be like for December 2020 CSIR NET exam. And in those courses you will be able to cover up the things from the starting, like as you need to do the preparation for the exam from the starting. Okay, so you will be able to cover up the major portion, and yeah, it will surely help you in doing the best preparation in the remaining time before the exam. And thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. If you will have any doubt, any query, you can let me know about it. We'll try to discuss those points. And if everything is clear, that's very good. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.